Hello everyone, this is On and today's lecture will focus on big data. I hope you all find this lecture interesting and informative. So let's move forward and have a look at today's agenda. This is what we will discussing today. We will begin with what is big data and then examples of big data, where we are using data, what are the types of big data, what are the characteristics of big data. At the end we will see summary of today's lecture. So let's move forward to the what is big data. Big data is the term for a collection of data sets. Big data is a collection of data. Data sets are so large and complex that are growing with the time. It becomes difficult to process using on-hand database management tools or traditional data processing applications. Examples of big data. New York Stock Exchange generates about 1 terabyte of a new trade data per day. 500 million tweets people are sending on every day. 294 billion emails are sent each day. 4 petabytes of data are created on Facebook. 4 terabytes 4 terabytes of data are created from each connected car. 65 billion messages are sent on WhatsApp. 5 billion searches are made at every day. There are three types of big data. One is structured, semi-structured, or unstructured. Since data is collected from different sources like logs, emails, sensors, mobile devices, so data can be structured, semi-structured, or unstructured. So what is structured data? Data that is organized as per the predefined format can be categorized as structured data. Relational database and spreadsheets are example of structured data. What is semi-structured? Semi-structured data does not have a fixed format like structured data, but still it has volume, but still it has some organizational structure like tags or markups to differentiate between elements. XML and JSON are examples of semi-structured data. What is unstructured data? Unstructured data is the data that does not fit into any predefined format, that does not fit in structured data or semi-structured data. It usually includes different types of data like text, multimedia content, and that too in no order. Unstructured data is hard to format, manipulate, and analyze as it does not follow any predefined format. Web pages and emails are examples of unstructured data. There are four characteristics of big data. First one is volume. One of the characteristics of big data is a large volume of data, where data is talked about in terms of terabytes and petabytes, if not more. What is variety? Big data may be any type of data that we already discussed in previous slide. Data can be structured, semi-structured, or unstructured. Also, data may come from various sources like sensors, click streams, logs, emails. Different sources and nature of data results in challenges in terms of formatting, storing, and analyzing. At the same time, analyzing data of all these types together provide better analytical insight. Velocity. This characteristic is about the speed at which the data is generated and processed. There are many time-sensitive processes where big data technologies should be able to analyze the stream data as soon as possible. Variability or veracity. This characteristic is about data quality which can vary. That may happen because of the fact that data comes from multiple sources, making it hard to format, match, and manipulate. The quality of data affects the useful of the analytical insight. Ability to process big data brings in multiple benefits, such as business can utilize outside intelligence while taking decisions. Access to social data from search engines and sites like Facebook, Twitter are enabling organizations to fine-tune their business strategies. Through big data, we can improve customer service. Traditional customer feedback systems are getting replaced by new systems. Big data and NLP, that is natural language processing technologies, are being used to read and evaluate consumer responses. Early identification of risk to the product, service, if any, and better operational efficiency. Big data technologies can be used for creating a staging area or landing zone for new data before identifying what data should be moved to the data warehouse. In addition, such integration of big data technologies and data warehouse helps an organization to offload infrequently accessed data. So the summary of the today's lecture: big data definition. Big data is a term used to describe a collection of data that is huge in size and yet growing exponentially with time. Big data analytics examples include stock exchange, social media sites, jet engines. Big data could be structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Volume, variety, velocity, and variability are few big data characteristics. Improved customer services, better operational efficiency, better decision making are few advantages of big data. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from me in the future. We'll see you in next video.